Have you ever researched a topic online, only to find conflicting information? How do you know which sources to trust? In today's video, we'll explore how to find reliable sources for research, evaluate their credibility, and use information effectively while avoiding plagiarism. Whether you're writing an essay, preparing a speech, or conducting a research project, mastering these skills will make your work stronger, clearer, and more trustworthy. Before diving into examples, let's define some key terms. Credible sources are reliable materials written by experts, such as academic journals, government websites, and reputable news organizations. Bias means a preference or opinion that may affect the accuracy or objectivity of a source. Plagiarism means presenting someone else's work as your own, without proper credit. Citation is a reference to the original source of information, following a recognized format like MLA, APA, or Chicago style. Now, let's see how these concepts apply in real research situations. Let's start simple, researching for a history project. You need to write a report on the causes of the American Civil War. You find two sources: a website ending in .gov with historical records and primary documents, and a random blog with strong personal opinions and no sources listed. Which one should you trust? The .gov website is credible because it provides factual information from official records. The blog post may be biased and lacks proper citations. This example shows the importance of choosing sources carefully. Now, let's look at how evaluating sources matters in a persuasive essay. You're writing about whether schools should require uniforms. You find two studies: a research paper from an academic journal with data from multiple schools, and an article from a fashion website with no research, just opinions. Which source is more useful? The academic journal provides research-backed evidence. The fashion website might be biased and lacks data. Using credible sources strengthens your argument and makes your writing more convincing. Now, let's apply these skills in a real-world setting. You read two news articles on climate change, one from a well-known, peer-reviewed science magazine, and one from a social media post. Without any linked sources, how do you verify the information? Check the author's credentials. Are they an expert in the field? Look at the sources. Are studies or data cited? Cross-check with multiple sources. Do other credible organizations report the same findings? In the digital age, knowing how to separate fact from misinformation is a critical skill. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Use advanced searches to find reliable sources. Evaluate credibility by checking the author, publisher, and supporting evidence. Avoid plagiarism by properly citing sources in MLA, APA, or Chicago style. Cross-check information to ensure accuracy. By mastering these research techniques, you can produce writing that is informative, trustworthy, and academically strong. Good research isn't about finding information. It's about finding the right information.